Welcome back to Babe's Art Class. Today we're going to be doing some beautiful coasters, and I've already started them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put each one of them on the spinner, and we're going to see how they come out differently. Even though I'm setting them up exactly the same way, using the same colors, the same order, we're going to see how they turn out. So I've already started. And you can see I have 3 of them are ready to put on the spinner. And I'm going to show you how I do them. First of all, I tape the back so it doesn't mess up the back because that's where the cork is. Then on the front, these had a print on them, and I just put a very quick base coat on them. So the next step is to put on the pillow, which is just house paint. And I'll put my recipes in the description area. That's a little too much underneath my video. Put a little bit back. Spread out the corners. I just like to spread out the corners because sometimes the corners get missed a little bit. Then I have 5 colors. I have indigo, and I have mint. I have 14 karat gold fuchsia and a metallic orange. And these new paints I got are beautiful. They're called Color Pearl by Turner Colorworks. And the colors are brilliant. They're all pearl and shiny. Alright, so I'm going to start out with the indigo on the bottom. Just put it on there in a circle. And then I'm going to put the mint on there. And to me, this is really a gorgeous turquoise, but they call it mint. Then I'm going to put on the 24 karat gold. And then I'm going to put on the fuchsia, which is one of my favorite colors. Brightens up everything. And the reason I picked orange is because on the color wheel, orange is the opposite of blue. That means it's the complementary color of blue. So it should look nice in any composition where you have a lot of blue. This is the cell activator, and this is the Australian floatrol. 3 parts, and the Amsterdam black oxide paint, 1 part. You put just a dollop in the middle, not huge. We're going to let it sit in for a minute. What happens is it kind of goes down into the paint. It gets sucked down and it starts doing its thing. So I'm going to start to blow it out. And of course my gloves get stuck to the tape. But that's okay. It's just a nuisance. Okay, we'll let that set up a little bit. Actually, that one has a lot of black on this side. I'm going to blow it in a little bit. so I'm going to just move the camera over to the spinner. And I have a cute story about the spinner. My granddaughter, Danny, made this spinning box for me. I was lamenting to her that I didn't have a spinning box. And what were we going to do? And she came up with this idea. So I'm very proud of her. We'll start spinning this and see what we get. Okay, we'll go the other way. Okay, so we've lost some of our orange, but we have a little bit of it. This is what we have for that one. We're going to let it set and see how the cells set up. This next one actually has some beautiful cells already. Okay, so we'll give this a spin. And another little spin the other way. And the spinning is what opens up the cells. You never know what colors you're going to get, but here's this one. I think it's very pretty. I mean, I mostly see blues, a little pink. There is some gold in there. Very beautiful cells. There's number 2. Number 3 already has beautiful cells also. Let's give that one a spin. Wow. Yeah, that one's coming out real pretty. Oh, I love this one. Here's this one. I think that is beautiful. Now that one has a lot of color in it. Lots of cells. And the funny thing is, I've been doing this all the same way. I'll show you all 4 of them together when I'm done. Okay, we'll give this one a twirl. Well, this one's going to have a lot of color and cells on one side. Okay. Very interesting. And I'm going to show you all of them together. Take my gloves off. So if you can see all the different ones. They're very, very different. Okay. My camera work isn't that great, but there's all 4 of them. And I think they came out beautiful, although they're very different. And if you'd like to see more of my work, please subscribe to my channel. It would help me out a great deal so I can bring you more content. And let me know if there's anything you'd like me to paint or any particular colors you'd like me to use. So, okay, thank you. Goodbye for now.